Alright, so I'm going to take a video here of changing the blinker on my 2008 BMW Z4. It's actually the blinker that's right in here that's out. And so I've already started by taking the wheel off, taking the access cover off that goes right here. That's this deal here. Just a couple of little screws on the top and the bottom are little plastic deals. Anyway, that comes off pretty easy. Then you look in here, and this is actually supposed to be clipped up here. I already took it off, but anyway, you can get a little screwdriver up here and pry it down. It comes down fairly easy. And then this deal is kind of this cover. It's a little bit of a pain to get off of here, but let's see if I can do it. I actually already took the blinker bulb out the other day and just ordered in a new one. So I've got that. So I'm going to try to get that back in here. That'll just kind of wiggle out. So, and you'll see in here, right there, right here is the blinker. And this is kind of an interesting deal, but you can actually just stick a, let me get a good view, a Phillips screwdriver in there and turn counterclockwise. I think I got it. And it should, well, I was gonna say it should pop out, but it didn't. I'll be right back. So I didn't quite have the screwdriver inserted all the way, so when I turned it didn't do anything. So I did this time, got it turned. It only turns maybe 90 degrees, maybe not quite that far. But anyway, I got it turned and now it just pulls out with another little slight turn. And that's it. And like I said, I already pulled the light bulb out. So now I'm gonna go get the other one and stick him in here. All right, so here's the light bulbs I got. Just went on Amazon and picked something that looked about right. I actually had to have my son read the numbers on these on my old bulb to get the new one ordered, but anyway, this one should fit. And I believe it should just pop in there and into the grooves on this socket. You push down and turn just slightly to the right, and it should lock in there. It doesn't come out. Okay. Now we'll attempt to get this bad boy back in there. Real light pressure here. There. So it's all the way in. Now I'm just going to give it a slight turn to the right. There. Did you hear that? That means it's in. Okay. Alright, so while I'm in here, I'm going to go ahead and replace the dim headlight. It's not out, but it doesn't match the other side, so I went ahead and got a couple new halogen bulbs. This is what I got here, so we'll see how this goes. I believe this just twists a little bit. Yeah, it just turned. I just didn't want to put too much pressure on it and break it. Now you can just work this up. There's a little bitty, now this metal piece here comes off with the bulb. right here. So it separates from this part down here. So I'm just going to work my way around that with a screwdriver and stick the new bulb, and I'll be right back. All right, so I got the other bulb snapped in place, just straight in, straight out. And looks like I got some wires fraying there. I'll probably come back and put some heat shrink or something on them at some point. But let's just see how this goes. And back in there. Turn it to the right, there we go. All right, time for a test. All right, well, the blinker works. So that's a good sign. Let me try the headlight and make sure I didn't mess that up. Ugh. Hey, that one's on. Still got to change that one, but looks like parking lot, dim lights. All right, we're in good shape. Thanks for watching.